Hi there and welcome. It's Tony Maynard here, and you're at Tony Maynard's Tony's Insane Bonus Bundle. And today I'm doing a review on the 1Bundle. You can have everything you need: storage, cloud hosting, graphics, and even funnel page design, without endless paying thousands of dollars each year, which is correct. So what is the 1Bundle all about? Well, we're about to find out. The 1Bundle has everything you need for one low cost price and zero restrictions. Unlimited hosting, 100% uptime, unlimited SSL encryption, one-click WordPress installation, unlimited cloud storage and file backup, professional infrastructure, unlimited autoresponder emails, stunning drag and drop websites, world-class sales funnels, gorgeous done for you graphics, dedicated webinars. And no, you don't need any technical skills or prior experience to make every last one of these tools bring in fistfuls of money. The 1Bundle is not only 100% newbie friendly, it also comes with 24/7 support from technical specialists, customer service pros, and marketing masterminds. Prices and upsells. Front end $17. Right? That's right. OTO 1 $29, OTO 2 $39, OTO 3 $197, OTO 4 $39, and OTO 5 $197. And what does OTO mean? One time offer. And that's the funnel there. Front end, the 1Bundle is $17. So that's the front end cost, which is up here, which I already mentioned. Access to powerful the 1Bundle software and training modules. Here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. Cancel your Dropbox hosting and ClickFunnels monthly payments. Yeah, cancel your storage hosting and funnel builder monthly payments. Cancel your storage hosting, funnel builder, and graphic membership now. Save $4,000. Yeah. A one-time payment and save $4,500 each year. Save $4,500 each year by telling Dropbox, your web host, ClickFunnels, and graphic designers to go to hell. Oh, I agree with that one. I do. Save $4,500 each year by saying goodbye to Dropbox, your web host, ClickFunnels, and graphic designers. Give Dropbox, your web host, your funnel builder, and your graphic people the boot right now. Host unlimited domains, subdomains, email accounts, and databases for all your websites. True cPanel hosting. Build unlimited pages, unlimited funnels, unlimited membership sites, 100% proven sales funnel, templates included, full analytics for tracking and growing your websites, web empire, no extra charge, easy step graphic creation, create unlimited logos, designs, and banners, millions of stunning designs and social media templates included, create and edit all graphics, commercial license included, never invest in stock images again. All this is covered by a no questions asked 30-day money back guarantee. So click the 1Bundle now and get all the bonuses below. Bonus 1, $427.95. You get access to an online training course called Online Entrepreneur, which will teach you about the strategies that have been around for a long time and still work now, are relevant today. Bonus 2, $46.95. A collection of done-for-you funnels to monetize. Bonus 3, value $344.95. Access Jono's headline hack. Bonus 4, value $267. Access Atomic. And this is for your landing pages, so you can put in your free offer on your landing pages, and it's not just for one niche, but a various amount of niche. And they provide you these free offers, you know, that you can to entice people to give you their email address. So that's what Atomic is. Bonus 5, $197 value, and you get that for taking action today, and you access all the vendor bonuses. Alright, so with that, you can click the button below now and claim your free insane bonus package before countdown timer hits 0. And that's the truth on that. So I think we'll go to the sales page now. Here we are at the sales page, and just bear with me while I get it back up to the top again, so we can start all over again. See? Yep, there we go. That didn't take very long. Stop paying monthly recurring fees to autoresponders, cloud drives, graphics, webinars, funnel builders who hold you and your data hostage for monthly fees that never end. Now you can have everything you need: autoresponder, storage, cloud hosting, graphics, webinars, and even funnel page design without ever paying thousands of bucks every month. Yeah, sounds good. Sounds real good. Yep. I won't play the video. Tell Dropbox goodbye. Tell your web host goodbye. Tell ClickFunnels goodbye. Tell graphic designers goodbye. Tell GoToWebinar Zoom goodbye. Tell Aweber goodbye. Free gift. First 183 buyers also get our best-selling Unfair Advantage edition worth $2,997. Average beta testers doubled their monthly sales. And as you can see, you got a lot to cancel and a lot of money to save with all, look at it, with all this list here. And you can go through this, click here to get the sharpest competitive edge on earth. Special offer discount expires in. Right. Click here to get instant access. Are you spending more than you make online? Yeah, that's dead right. That's what most people are doing, because these people are taking it, you see. You got to pay these things on, and it's not worth it, you know. It's just not worth it. You see. But this guy, Mosh Berry's helping you to make it worth it, so then you can don't have to do that anymore. See. Oh, it's the same guy. Look at this. Ha! Oh, this is really good. Yeah. I don't know when this is launching, but anyway, what's it like trying to make real money? Well, you know, it's just not the cost. There's a lot of different factors with regards to this. Absolutely no monthly fees was good. That's good. You got a chance. No monthly fees. You know. But have you really? There's no traffic source with this. So, you know, have you got a chance? Really, I don't know. Really, I can't say. But you've got these tools. But I'm with like I said, I'm with oh, you got a 30-man 30-day money back guarantee with this, so which is a good deal. And that's Mosh Barry. He's the guy that does this. There are four. You're going to get 4 tools of his, and that's the end of that sales page. Okay, so now we'll give a look, and I'll show you what these 4 tools are. Okay, now here we are. Here's the first one. The 4 tools you'll get with this 1 bundle deal is Hosts Presso, which is a dashboard. But I can't get to the dashboard, unfortunately, because when I tried, well, you know, I clicked on this thing here, and this is what happened every time. So I couldn't get to it, so that's okay. But never mind, we'll go to the next one. I did get to this one. Well, this one's a filing cabinet, so it's just like your filing cabinet. You put all your files and everything in it. Well, this you can drag and drop all your photos, graphics, all that kind of stuff, and you can put them here, see? Yeah, all your photos, your graphics, or all your videos, anything like that, you can put them here. So that's the dashboard for that. And then there's the next thing, which is so that was Drive's Presso, and the next one is Mail's Presso. Okay, so hey, I'm going to show you that I've got a problem with this one too. This one doesn't do what it's supposed to. So there's my email address, and there's my password. I'll go to log in, and watch what happens. Just watch. See? So I get an exception message. I go, oh, I'll reactivate. We resend the message, and then I get that, and then I go to the actual address for the email, and there's no email there. So that's the second thing that happens. Okay, so I've got no access to that, so I can't tell you what that's about. And then the next one is this one, which so I've got no access to Mail's Presso, but the next one is Funnels Presso. I've got access to that, when you can do landing pages, leads, and you know, you've got your templates, your landing pages. Here we go. We'll have a look at that. Well, there's no landing pages there at the moment, so but you've got some templates, you know, and not very many, only 4. That's all. When you go into a ClickFunnels account, you've got hundreds. I mean, it's just, but there's free ones and paid ones with that in your ClickFunnels account. Yeah, and you got leads, but you're only paying 1 payment, so you got to expect that it's you're not going to get that kind of level of service. There's your landing pages. You got your products, which is no products, and orders, and that's it. And that's it. So those are the 4 things you will get. You'll get Funnel Z Presso, you'll get Mail Z Presso, you'll get Drive Z Presso, and you'll get Host Z Presso. That's what you will get. So I'll take you back to the bonus page now, and we'll have a look at the bonuses again, which you'll get when you purchase the 1 bundle. Right, so when you purchase 1 bundle, you'll get my access to the online entrepreneur. You'll also get our collection of done for you funnels to monetize. Bonus number 3, you'll get access to Jono's headlines hack, and you'll get bonus number 4, access to Atomic done for you. And bonus number 5, when you take action today, you'll get access to all the vendor bonuses. And that will happen when you click on any of these green buttons here. Click here to secure your copy and your bonuses of 1 bundle. Then you'll be taken to the sales page, and when you pick up that copy of 1 bundle, you'll be taken to your Warrior Plus account down here. You'll get an email and where you can access your purchase and access the bonuses below. And I'm Tony Maynard, and thank you for staying with me till the end of this review. And remember that the link to the bonus page, where you can access the sales page, will be in the description of this video, which will be posted up on YouTube. Okay, and I think, well, personally, that this is a good deal. It's a really good deal, really. I mean, it's a fantastic deal. I mean, you're getting 3 tools, you know, for the price of 1. Not, you know, I mean, you can't compare this really with anything else when you think about it. You know, I mean, there isn't anything comparable really. Anything else is monthly payments, you know. You got to pay, you know, I mean, I know that because, you know, I pay for my autoresponder, that's $15 a month. And then I pay for my hosting, which is another $44 a year. But that's for my WordPress site, that's with Namecheap. And then you got to pay for, what have I got to pay for else? What I've got to pay for? I've got to pay for my domain name, that's once a year as well. But I keep my costs pretty low, so, see, so, yeah. So there you have it. Oh, and I have another account which I pay $28 a month for, which is to do with tracking. So there you go. So now you know. Okay, so I thank you for sticking with me to the end, and thank you for watching this review and for checking out this review. And I'll see you again. Thank you. Bye.